Good morning, dear students. Today we will read first chapter, and let us start reading the text of chapter first. Let me open chapter number 1 from English Literature of class 8. Three questions by Leo Tolstoy. So students, I think that you all have copy and pen right now, because before starting the text, before understanding the story of first chapter, three questions written by Leo Tolstoy, we must know about the writer, because Leo Tolstoy, and you can also write down some important works and the important things about Leo Tolstoy. Actually, here at the last page of your book, there is also given something about the author and the writer or the writer. Actually, the full name of Leo Tolstoy was Leo Nikolaevich Tolstoy, and who was born in Russia in 1828. You all just remember this date, because at that time in our India, Arya Samaj was established by Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Just after 3 years, he was born in Russia in 1828, while Arya Samaj was established in 1825. He served in the Russian army from 1851 to 1856, and he was a noble man who owned a great deal of land but failed. It was his duty to give it away and lead a simple life. He came to be a firm believer in non-violence, like Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi, 1851 to 1856. Mahatma Gandhi was greatly influenced by his writings. His tales give a true picture of the life of the Russian peasants. He does not tell a story, merely amuse us. Means he's just trying to entertain us. Not only he tells us about the characters and about something specific pictures, but he always try to amuse us through his stories. He does not tell a story merely amuse us. He is teaching us a lesson. War and Peace, and Anna Karenina are two immortal classics written by Leo Tolstoy. Students, now there is a one great and very memorable and a famous line written by Leo Tolstoy in the works War and Peace, and you all know that line, everything is fair in love and war. This line is extracted from the story War and Peace by Leo Tolstoy. So let us start. First of all, I would like to explain the chapter, and after that, we will, on the basis of our discussion of this chapter and the story about the text of three questions, we will write question and answer also, and I will also provide you some PDF file of question and answer and some assignments. So first of all, let us start the story and let us understand. And some, I hope that you all have pen and copies, because some important lines you can note down on your copies also. This is the first chapter and we are starting in this class first chapter. Let us read. But before starting this chapter, there are some situations before you. Let me create some situations, and I hope that you all will write the answers by yourself by listening all this. Suppose you went to a situation number first. Suppose you went to start a new task. Suppose that you are going to start a new work, and will you wait of an auspicious time, or will you start working immediately? Discuss. You can discuss these questions with your parents, with anybody who are nearby you right now. So first situation means whenever you are going to start any work, any task, then at the same time will you start for any auspicious time, or you will start working immediately. On the basis of these situations, this chapter is also based. Situation number second, work individually and answer the following. What do you think is the most important occupation? Suppose that there are the lot of occupations like leadership, like lawyership, like teachers, and many kind of the occupations in our society, in our country. So question for you, that what is the main occupation for you all? And second, who do you think are the most important people? Soldiers, leaders, doctor, patients, priests, and teachers. Actually teacher is not here, but you have to choose yourself that what is the best and who is the best and important people for you. Compare your answers with the responses given by there. Let us start this story, and whatever the responses you will get, you will write by yourself. Now text. It once occurred to a certain king that if he always knew the right time to begin everything, if he knew who were the right people to listen to and whom to avoid, and above all, if he always knew what was the most important thing to do, he would never fall in anything he might undertake. First paragraph of this story. Now students, listen me very carefully, because I am going to explain first paragraph of the story. The first paragraph is very important for the purpose of your questions, and last time the same question was also asked in your examination, that what is the three important questions by which we can get success in our life. So king is just in the first line, first paragraph of this story, king is thinking himself that what is the first question. Questions are raging in his mind. What are the questions? Question number first, कि if once occurred to a certain king that if he always knew the right time to begin everything, if he knew who were the right people to listen to, मतलब कौन से आदमी ऐसे हो सकते हैं जिनको सुनना उचित होगा हमेशा के लिए, एंड होम टू अवॉइड, और किस आदमी को हम लोग अवॉइड कर सकते हैं, किसको हम सुन सकते हैं और किसको अवॉइड कर सकते हैं. दूसरा था एबव ऑल इफ़ ही ऑलवेज न्यू व्हाट वाज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग टू डू, और यदि वो राजा जाने कि हमेशा कि सबसे अच्छा कार्य कौन सा है जिसको किया जा सके, ही वुड नेवर फॉल इन एनी थिंग ही माइट अंडरटेक, और वो कभी भी अपने कोई भी कामों को करने में असफल नहीं हो सकता अगर ये क्वेश्चंस पहले से इन क्वेश्चंस के आंसर उसको पता हो तो. नाउ look at here, a picture is looking in front of you all. In this picture there are a king and some courtiers are also in front of him. So this picture is just showing you the scene of a court where king is asking these three questions to his courtiers. Let us see what happened in the next paragraph, paragraph number 2. And this thought having occurred to him, he had it proclaimed throughout his kingdom that he would give a great reward to anyone who would tell him what was the right time for every action, and who were the most necessary people, and how he might know what was the most important thing to do. Now students, king is just announcing, he had it proclaimed throughout. You will also note down some important word meanings also. I hope that you all are noting down. So next class we will take tomorrow. some PDF files I am giving you. With the help of this PDF file you can do some work. And first question is, you will do the question number first. Okay, thank you, have a nice day, and take some other classes also through online video.